You may have heard about the mega deal between India and France for 114 Dassault Rafale fighter jets. But alongside the fighter aircraft themselves, another critical piece of the puzzle is now falling into place. India and France have signed a joint venture agreement to produce one of Rafale's most important weapon systems in India itself. Bharat Electronics Limited, or BEL, signed a 50-50 equity joint venture with France's Safran Electronics and Defense. The partnership will produce the Hammer precision guided munition system in India. Hammer, which stands for Highly Agile Modular Munition Extended Range, is a precision guided bomb kit designed to convert standard unguided bombs into highly accurate smart weapons. It can be fitted into bombs ranging from 125 kgs to 1000 kgs, giving the Air Force the flexibility to engage a wide variety of targets, from lightly protected buildings to reinforced bunkers and hardened military infrastructure. This system was famously used in Op Sindoor by the Indian Air Force alongside a mix of scalp cruise missiles and precision guided bombs and loitering munitions. It has a circular error probable, or CEP, of less than 10 meters, which means it can strike an area of the city of a city bus from 70 kilometers away. What makes Hammer particularly valuable is its adaptability. It can use multiple guidance systems, including GPS, inertial navigation, and infrared seekers, allowing it to operate even in contested environments where GPS signals may be jammed. This gives pilots the ability to strike targets accurately from safer distances, improving both survivability and mission success. The Hammer can be fitted on other aircrafts such as the LCA Tejas. This joint venture also has wider implications beyond just one weapon system. Safran, the French aerospace giant and manufacturer of the Rafale's M88 jet engine, has expressed strong interest in expanding its manufacturing presence in India. Its CEO, Olivier André, has indicated that Safran is ready to produce engines in India and source components from Indian suppliers. This signals a broader shift towards deeper industrial cooperation between the two countries. For India, this is not just about acquiring weapons, but about building a capability to produce them domestically. Manufacturing Hammer systems in India will reduce dependence on imports, improve supply chain security during wartime, and strengthen India's defense industrial base. More importantly, this deal marks a transition in India's defense relationship with France from a buyer-seller dynamic to a genuine technology and production partnership. As India prepares for the larger acquisition of the 114 jet MRFA program, such joint ventures ensure that the country is not just importing military capability but actively building it at home.